fun tool review, which you might enjoy this. I picked up another pair of Peterson Vicegrips. This one's weird because I don't know what this does, but check this out. This is cool. This is a Peterson Vicegrip. What does it do? I have a slightest idea. It's got an adjustable jaw here. It looks like a shark. It's got a square hole in here, and it looks like it, I don't know if it clips metal, tin. I'm guessing that's a hardened. It says Genmac Products Co. Trevos, Erie, PA. I didn't look up Genmax products, but it looks like there's a little weld has been here done. The front is completely modified. I don't know if it cuts metal. I know it cuts paper. I've been playing around with this thing. It just, basically it's for probably going like this. It either flips it like that, put inward, makes a shorter cut. That's all it does to that. I don't know. See, it doesn't really clench the end. I think it just cuts a tab out and bends it. So is it a thing for cutting tabs out, like so? Let me get a piece of metal, a little sheet metal, and see if we try it. Hold on a second. Well, after a few minutes of fighting with this, I finally managed to get this out of here. I didn't destroy it, but I had to bang on it. This is definitely too thick for this. I would assume this piece of thing must be for going like this. And then pop it out, which doesn't even come out because even this is too thick. So maybe paper. It wasn't doing this well though. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the hell. Clearly it's getting wedged in there. It doesn't come out. I basically had to take this metal rod, go like this, and bang on it like so. Ouch. So if this isn't for large pieces of cardboard, what the hell is it for? Because it gets stuck right in the lip here, so I don't know if this is supposed to be... See, there's a hole in here. So clearly something really thin must pop through there. Do I have a sheet of paper? I don't know, let me check. Let's try this JB Weld package. See if this works. Just to go like... Let's see. Yeah, I guess you could. Kind of just rips little flaps like that. So I don't know, maybe I can do it longer. But if anybody has a clue what the hell these are for, it just kind of... That one took a chunk out. Clearly, whatever this is for must have been thin. And pretty sure whatever this thing does, some type of machine replaced it because it doesn't seem like a very good option. Whatever the hell these are for, I thought it was cool. And if anybody knows what these are for, here's the profile of them. See? There, I'll show you the writing on it. And here's the other side. It's got the little rubber thing on there, which is pretty neat. Peterson thing. There's a weld clear all around here, and this part is just put on there. Like I said, I don't know if this, if you take this off of here and go like this, if you watch the front, it goes inside there, but there's a, oh, hold on a second. There's a hole in there. You can see it, there's a crease. So whatever it did, either it punched out the bottom or this thing is, it's not worn out here, like as if it's, so it's, either it's not lined up perfectly or I don't know. It's not a nail clipper. I get my nails in there. I mean, who knows? If I gotta grow along with the nail, I clip my nails with it. But even then, whatever it bites, it just bends it. So, anyway, a vintage GenMac Products Co. Trevost, PA. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit all kinds of buttons. Thanks for watching. Yeah, looking online for this GenMac Products Company. Apparently they still exist. They are still in Trevost, New York. They've been around since 1930 something, and it seems like they do mostly cable stuff. So this is definitely an older piece of equipment here, because the finish isn't the nice 80s, 90s, and 2000s finish on the what do you call it? Vice grips. So whatever this is for, apparently they went for they were a production mean shop and making specialized tools. So maybe I'll send them a picture and see what this if anybody even knows what this is for. But I thought it was cool. I'll probably never use it. It'll probably just sit in there, and when I drop dead one day, there'll be a very cool collection of vice grips sold to some fancy collector somewhere who doesn't know anything about vice grips. Hey, nobody will know you. So anyway, back to I'll switch you back to the normal video, and hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching.